Hello. 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 Good morning.
Morning. Good morning, Mary.
Morning, Mrs. Sam Roy.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Hello. Sam Roy. Yeah, I think you have to unmute it. It is now muted, I think.
Can you hear me, Srini?
Hello. Yeah, I'm able to hear you. But
Okay. Let's wait for 5 minutes before we start the
Peter
meeting.
Nelson, I have given எல்லாம் மியூட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காங்க. Nobody is
Okay. Good morning. This is
hello.
the Al Sharkia Investment Holding Analyst Meet for the financial year 2025. And I welcome you all for the analyst meeting. Please feel free to ask any questions that you have. Uh, but in the meanwhile, let me give you a quick summary. The company investment holding as well as a subsidiary has been doing quite well. In terms of our financial performance, there has been growth both in the net asset per share as well as on the EPS front also. And in terms of our dividend revenue, in terms of our lease income, and overall revenue growth, there has been growth on that in all fronts. Our balance sheet looks strong in terms of both our fixed income portfolio as well as our equity portfolio. So, uh, having said that, the board of directors has, on discussion of their financial statements, have declared a dividend of 6 paisa for the year 2025. If you recollect, this the dividend has been 1 paisa more than what has been paid out in the year 2024, which was 5 paisa. So it also reflects our increased confidence in our company performance and at the same time reward to shareholders uh, from 5 paisa to 6 paisa. Our net asset value at this point in time at the group level stands at 214 paisa and at the parent level at 165 paisa. It reflects quite a lot of improvement both in terms of value addition in our investment portfolio, and at the same time there has been some accounting entries passed as far as the lease of our residential property which is under the subsidiary, and that has been brought into the books. If you need more questions, I would like to refer you to the notes to accounts which highlights these aspects of lease accounting in the financial statement, which very clearly highlights what is the nature of the lease accounting and how it is being brought into the books. Having said that, we have reported a profit of 3.3 million riyals, but out of that, a significant portion of it is reference to an unrealized gain on lease receivables of 3.257 million riyals. and the rest of it coming from our operational profit of roughly around 658,000 reals. So, having said that, that's a quick summary. The financials look positive as compared to the previous year. There has been no material impact due to any reason. And going forward, we hope that we will continue the good work as far as the company is concerned. Our relationships with our intermediaries, with our subsidiaries, and continue to be positive. And of course, in the current environment, we're trying to see how best to look at improving our financial position. If you notice, our balance sheet does hold a little bit of dry powder in terms of cash, and that is effectively available for us to deploy if we find something which is interesting for the long-term growth of this company. So I'll close my statement at this point in time. I'm open to questions both on the chat or on. You can unmute yourself and let me know if you have any doubts, questions, or clarifications on the financials.
So right, we, we have to unmute your,
Gentlemen, you are on mute, so if you wish to raise a question, feel feel free to unmute and ask your question. Alternatively, you can put it on the chat box, and I will respond to you one way or the other. Questions are the floor is now open for questions. Feel free to ask questions. Well, there seems to be no questions. I hope I have answered or kind of explained the financial position of the company, and I'm available for any clarification you require on the email or going forward. You can always reach out to me. Quick word on the current situation. We continue to monitor our investments at this point in time, and I'm happy to state that we are within a safe zone in terms of our risk metrics and our parameters, and we will continue to monitor the current economic environment, both because of the fact that oil prices have moved up. There has been a flattening of interest rates, or interest rates being holding steady by the Fed, and its impact on the world economy. We continue to monitor our investments, our positions in the equity and in the bond portfolio, as well as on other cash equivalent positions that we hold for the company. So we remain cautious, and at the same time, as I mentioned to you, we have the opportunity to invest in any product which appeals to us because of the fact that we have quite a lot of dry powder in terms of cash and near cash in our books, and we will take advantage of this any opportunity that comes our way. On that note, thank you very much. Appreciate your participation and signing up for the analyst meet of today. This is Rajesh. I'm signing off, and thank you. Have a good day.
thank you.